Hello children, this is Mosmi, Maths teacher, Mangala Vidya Mandira. I hope you all are well. Already you have learned previous lesson addition, as well as we have completed the problem of addition and just introduction about subtraction. Okay, so in that we know that subtraction related to keywords are taken away, difference, then less, minus, left out, this all. So whatever we have learned that subtraction rules, like if we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the number itself. If we subtract 1 from the number, we will get the previous number, just before number or predecessor. And if we subtract the number from itself, we will get 0. So here we will start with the subtraction. Here also subtraction also two types, without regrouping and with regrouping, or another name it has without borrowing and with borrowing. Okay, so first problem you can observe here, 67 minus 25. So if we do 67 minus 25, so first one is 7 minus 5. So how we will do? So 7 in the mind, 5 on the finger, before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next 6 minus 2, 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger, before 6, 7, 5, 4. So the answer is 42. Next problem is 86 minus 34. So 86 minus 34, 6 in the mind, 4 on the finger. So 6 minus 4, it will be 6 in the mind, 4 on the finger, before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then 8 in the mind, 3 on the finger, before 8, 7, 6, 5. So what we are using here, we are using the backward counting. Okay, now next one is, so how we will write? Similar way we will write. What is that? 57 minus 12. Okay, now 7 in the mind, 2 on the finger, before 7, 6, 5. Okay, then 5 in the mind, 1 on the finger, before 5, 4. So the answer is 45. Okay, next we will write like this, 49, 27. Similarly, 9 in the mind, 7 on the finger, before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then 4 in the mind, 2 on the finger, before 4, 3, 2. Okay, so the answer is 22. So like this way we will do that. That means here what is most important is backward counting. Okay, so next one, $98 minus 75. Okay, 8 in the mind, 5 on the finger, before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, next 9 in the mind, 7 on the finger, before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so the answer is 23. So this all you observe, the number which we are writing first, that is bigger than the number. Always we will subtract smaller number from a bigger number. But here what is there, if you observe the unit place, all the first number is bigger than the second number. Unit place of the first number is bigger than the second number. So that's why we need not to do the grouping, okay, or we need not to borrow. So next we will learn the subtraction with borrowing or regrouping. So here you have to learn very carefully. So first one, if you observe, you can see the 74 minus 36. So here I shown you, but again I am showing you. So first one is 74 minus 36. Okay, so now you observe here 74 is bigger than 36. But if you observe unit place, what is there? 4 is less than 6. So how it can be subtract? So how you will write? You will leave some place. Okay. Now see, 4 is less than 6, so it is not possible for us to subtract. So what I will do, I will take from here 1. Okay, if I take 1 from here, so what it will be? So 110 I am carrying, so this 4 become 14. Okay, now as I take 110 from 7, so 7 become 6. So 6 minus 14, 14 minus 6, 14 in the mind, 6 on the finger, before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. Now 6 in the mind, 3 on the finger, as then before 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So what I am doing here, if the number in the unit place is less than than the number we are writing, that means what we call this one, first one is called minuend, second one is called subtrahend. So if subtrahend's unit place is bigger than the subtrahend unit place of minuend, that time we have to borrow from the previous, that means previous place, like next place, that's place value, like tens. If unit place number is less, we have to borrow from the tens place. Okay, if we do the next one problem, it will be more clear. Now start with the next problem. Similarly, we write tens unit, we leave some place, then 51 by 47. Okay, so 51 is bigger than, that means minuend is bigger than subtrahend, but minuend unit place is less than the unit place of subtrahend. So what we have to do? So we have to do, so now what I will do, from here I have to take 1. Okay, so if I take 1, what I will get? 11, because 110 I am borrowing. So but here I have taken 110, so how many tens will be there present? 4, because 1 will be decrease. Now 11 in the mind, 7 on the finger, before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Sorry, 11 in the mind, 7 on the finger, before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, now here you can observe 4 minus 4. So when we will subtract same number from itself, we will get 0. So 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so this way we have to borrow the number. Let's do the next one. So next one is 40, 24. Now 40, it is 0. So 0 is less than 4. Now I have to borrow from the tens place. Okay, so I will borrow from here 1. So it will become 10. So, okay, then it will become 3 because 1 10 I have carried. 4 tens was there, 1 I have taken. So I have borrowed, so it will be 3 10. Now 10 minus 4, 10 in the mind, 4 on the finger, before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger, before 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the answer is 16. Let's do another one. $93 minus 58. So similarly we will take 1, so it will become 13. This one become 8. Yes, now 13 in the mind, 8 on the finger, before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 8 in the mind, 5 on the finger, before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So last one I am doing, remaining you have to do. Okay, so next one is 64 minus 19. So here 9 is greater than 4. So same process we will apply here. It will become 14. This one become 5. So 14 in the mind, 9 on the finger, before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 5 in the mind, 1 on the finger, before 5, 4. So 45 is the answer. So this regrouping process, what you are doing, if the unit place number is less than the unit place of subtrahend, that time we have to borrow the number from tens place. Okay, so like this way you have to complete the subtraction. So next you have to do the word problem. Here 4 word problem I have given. So in this, what is there? First one is the Rachel has 49 hens and she gave 12 hens to her sister. Okay, so how many hens does she have now? So already she had 49. She has given her sister to 12. So given means it is not there with her, so that's why we have to subtract. Okay, so by reading the question you have to understand, because now I am doing the subtraction, easily you can identify, but when I will give mix of subtraction and addition, that time it will be difficult. That's why you have to understand. So how many is remaining? So you have to do the subtraction. Now 9 in the mind, 2 on the finger. So before 9, 8, 7. 4 in the mind, 1 on the finger. Before 4, 3. So this is, the answer is 37. So this is most important. You have to write the number of hens Rachel has. Okay, number of hens she gives to her sister. Okay, then number of hens left with her. Okay, next one, 63 birds are sitting on a tree, 11 fly away. Fly away, so go away. Away means, that means we have to do the subtraction. So how many left out? Okay, so we will. So first it was, we will do like this. It was 63. Okay, now 11 fly away. So 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 5. So now the birds you have 52. So number of birds sitting on the tree you have to write. So this writing part is important here. Okay. A fruit seller had 82 apples. He had sold 55 apples out of it. Okay, so how many left over? So you have to do this one. So we will start. So let's start with this. So 82 he has, 55 he has sold. So how many left over? Let's see. So 2 is less than 5. That's why we will borrow from here. It will become 12 and this one become 8 as 1 10 we have taken, so 7 tens. Now 12 in the mind, 5 on the finger. Before 12 it will be 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, then 7 in the mind, 5 on the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 27 apples left out. Let's see. Okay, number of apples a fruit seller has 82, then he sold 55, so left out 27 apples. Next, Chetana bought 31 paintings to her exhibition. So she sold 19 paintings. So how many left over? Okay, let's do 31 then 19. Okay, so now see 1 is less than 9, so we will borrow from 3 1. So what will be happen? It will be 11, it will be 2. So 11 in the mind, 9 on the finger. Before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next 2 minus 1, 1. So left out painting is 12. Okay, let's see. So like this. So already we have finished that how to do the subtraction without borrowing and how to do the subtraction with borrowing or regrouping we have learned. Now I have given some homework to you. So in this I have not mentioned which one is grouping, which one is regrouping. So you have to find out, like first one, 37 minus 15. So 7 unit place, if you compare, 7 is greater than 5, so it is without borrowing. But if you observe seventh one, you can observe that 84 minus 57. So 4 is less than 7, so you have to borrow. So like that you should compare the unit place numbers of minuend as well as subtrahend. So if minuend is less, then it will be borrowing. Okay, you have to borrow. So like that you have to complete this in your homework notebook. Classwork notebook, I told whatever I will send in the group in PDF, that you should write in the classwork. This all you should write in homework. And another one thing I observed, that you people are not submitting the homework. So it is very bad. You should submit the homework on time. Here some word problem also I have given for. So you should see that. First one, let me read for you. The hare and tortoise. So you know the hare and tortoise stories. Okay. So turtle took 33 minutes to cross the finish line. Hare completed the race in 19 minutes. So who won the race and how many times? So turtle took 33. So 33 is more than 19. So you have to subtract that how many times. So as hare took 19 minutes, so he took less time, so hare won the race. And how many times he took less, that you have to do the subtraction. Okay. Next, Alan went to the trick and alone. So Teresa collect 47 candles and she gave 23 to Alan. So how many candles does Teresa have? So you have to subtract. Okay, 47 minus 23, so you will get how many candies Teresa have. Okay. Now there was a team Arjun and team Bikram. They were playing basketball. So team Arjun scored 65 points. Team Bikram scored 58 points. So which team won? So first of all, which team score more, they won. So team Arjun scored 65. So 65 is greater than 58. So Arjun team won. And then how many points? You have to do the subtraction. That Karan has collect 91 toy car. Okay. Then he gives away 27 of them to his little brother Ryan. Okay. So that means how many toy cars does have? So total he collected 91, he gave 27. So you have to do the subtraction. I hope you all have understood and complete your homework and submit. So whatever PDF I am giving, that is classwork, you should write in classwork, and this assignment you should write in homework and submit. I think you will follow this next time onwards, otherwise it will be effect on your internal assessment mark. Okay. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. Okay. Thank you.